How to change health notifications on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage Apple Health alerts, step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now scroll through the list of apps and select Health. Here, you can control how Apple Health notifications appear on your device. You can turn notifications on or off, allow lock screen alerts, enable banners, and choose whether notifications appear as temporary or persistent. If you want more detailed health alerts, make sure notifications are fully enabled so you don't miss important updates like activity tracking, sleep insights, or medication reminders. Now go back and open the Health app for additional notification settings. In Summary section, then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From here, go to Notifications or Health Checklist, depending on your iOS version. Inside this section, you can customize alerts for features like sleep tracking, walking steadiness, and medications. Simply toggle on or off the features you want notifications for. And that's how you change health notifications on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and Apple Health guides.